Bless up, y'all. It's your guy right here, Kai the pharmacist, Free Haven Farms. I got something I want to show you. I'm right here getting these peppers. And there's a difference in these peppers. All right, not just in the flavor, not just in the color, but in every way. These are some bell peppers that we got growing right here. All green peppers were just harvested early. They didn't get a chance to turn color. Now, when you leave these on the vine long enough, the sun is going to cook them. The sun is going to give them everything they need. That sun feeds us. That's why I'm out here right now with my shirt off, because I'm getting some of this vitamin D. What happens when you let them stay on the vine and get full sun is that you get 11 times more beta carotene in this pepper than the green one. About 8 times more vitamin A. About twice as much vitamin C. You know, you got more sugars in here, it's sweeter. So there's a lot of benefit towards leaving it on the vine till it's fully ripe. You could grow peppers in containers, in raised beds, in ground. There's a lot of different ways, easy to grow these peppers. If you want to eat the peppers from me, then you need to go ahead and get a fresh box. We do it every week, serving locally here in South Jersey. If you want to learn how to grow your own peppers from me, get in the Grow Your Own Garden Club, where we meet every week online, and I got classes for y'all on how to grow your own food like this. Stay rooted, keep growing, bless.